What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the Next Reach. Today we're going to be reviewing slash unboxing the Nike Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes in a size 9. These shoes recently came out and honestly they're pretty nice. I was fortunate enough to get them from one of my friends who's letting me borrow them for the video. All of his stuff will be linked in the description, his Instagram and some other stuff. And before we get into the video with the unboxing, make sure to go like the video and subscribe for the channel and comment down some other kicks that you'll like to see. And also in the description will be my Instagram where you could follow either my personal Instagram or the channel's Instagram where you can stay updated with some new uploads that will be coming up. Some pretty cool content coming up in the next couple of weeks with shoes and tech. But other than that, let's start on the unboxing. So now we have the unboxing footage. As you can see here, the box, Air Jordan 1, right over here, 1985 Air Jordan 1, in a size 9, brand new, dead stock, never worn, never opened actually, not yet, but here, let's check them out. So we got the box lid here. Compared to other shoes that I've reviewed on the channel, it's not really a flap, it's actual box lid, which is pretty cool. Inside, you have a Nike swoosh and also the actual swoosh word there, which is pretty cool. So now let's get into the real fruits of the unboxing video where we're going to reveal the shoe. So we're going to start off by taking this side of the paper off. Whoa, here they are, the Nike Air Jordan 1 in a size 9 colorway Royal Toe. It's a high, super dope shoe. Quality seems pretty nice. Stitching is fairly neat on these ones, and some good colorway. Compared to other Jordans, I don't really know the quality. Compared to other Jordan 1s, I don't really know the quality because these are, I think, maybe the first or second Jordan 1s I've actually held in my hand. But they're super cool. Quality seems decent. I love the colorway. So let's get rid of the box here for now. So here are the shoes. Obviously these aren't laced up because they're brand new. Here are the laces. So I guess the blue pair of laces are in here, but there are black laces on here already. Really nothing much to say about this shoe. The tongue is similar to other Jordan 1s. Nothing crazy about the tongue. I think it's honestly just the silhouette of the Jordan 1 that creates the hype. And the colorway for the Royal Toes is pretty nice. I think it's simple and it's easy to rock with a lot of outfits. I think this might be one of the top 5 Jordan 1s for summer 2020. Obviously with the pandemic, it's hard to go out and rock your kicks, but people will find their ways, either at home or just here and about. Pretty dope shoe. Quality wise, looks pretty good. This is the sole over here. Honestly, nothing crazy about the sole. These are DS, so nothing's really on them. Brand new. Yeah, the toe box is pretty nice, not creased. It's perfect condition. And the heel. Some pretty cool features about this shoe, I think, are this little side logo here of the Air Jordan. You can see these, I think, on most Jordan 1s. I think maybe all. I'm not certain about that, but I think it's super nice. It's a nice piece on the Jordan 1s. Definitely puts a shoe together, and super nice. I think without that, this would just be like a regular, like just a Nike shoe, and it wouldn't create that much hype. But with this, it's creates a lot of hype. And inside the shoe, I'm gonna try to show this. But inside the shoe, there is a Nike Air logo in here, and it's in the same color as the outside, which is pretty cool. But I'm pretty sure that'll wear out pretty quick as you wear these shoes. Most of the time, that does wear out in other shoes as well. So nothing surprising about that. Actually, on the tongue, there is the Nike Air logo here, and I think it's made from a leather material. Feels pretty good. Otherwise, the tongue is, I think, nothing special about it. It's not leather. It's a different material. Pretty versatile, I feel like. Like nothing, the shoe will hold up against the stuff you put it through, but, and again, it's not a construction shoe, it's just a casual shoe or like a streetwear shoe now, not really a ball shoe, but it's pretty. Now, if we take a deeper dive into the numbers of this shoe, looking at StockX right now, as of the date which this video was filmed, which is currently June 24th, you can see that there have been 33,000 sales of this shoe in all sizes, and the average sale price of this shoe is $372, which is pretty insane. 30,000 pairs is quite a lot for this shoe. I've heard they restocked several times ever since they released. I personally tried to get them, but I did take an L. I tried on Foot Locker and Sneakers. Sadly, I took an L on both. But to ensure that you can possibly get these shoes, you can leave a comment down in the description. Comment down. Or you can DM me on Instagram to get your hand on these, and if you're looking for something else, you can possibly go on StockX and buy these, or GOAT and several other local meetup apps that are out there, eBay also, and if you are fortunate to have some consignment stores around your area, those are also pretty good to get some hype wear. And this shoe, I think, can be rocked with a lot of different outfits, which is super nice about just the Jordan 1 silhouette in general. So thanks for watching the vid, guys. Appreciate all the viewers we have on Next Reach. Hopefully you guys come back to watch some more videos. And to stay updated, make sure to follow the Instagram page, which will be in the description. And subscribe to see more content, and remember to leave a like and comment down other shoes I should review or things I should work on in my videos, things you'll like to see, and hope I'll see you guys on the next one.